Good day, everyone. I just want to show you one or two things for you to gain one or two things. So I just want to show you how I analyze the market, how I look at the market from my own point of view. It can be of help to someone. So what I do is I look at the current candle for the week and I follow it. From there, I will know what will happen next or the next step to take. So what I do is, if you look at this currency now, you see that it's going up. We have seen a lot of push up to the upside, so it's really pushing up to the upside. So what do? So I'll just mark the high. Previously I will mark the high of that green candle, then I will come down and mark the low of this red one. If you look at it very well now, it's giving me a zone, it's giving me a support, and also giving me a resistance. Now after doing that, I realized that price came down after that massive bull, then price dropped with that reddish. Now the next week, so what will now happen after this short green candle rejection? After this candle now, what will happen is a great question, and you need to know what will happen. So what do? I will now step down. Before I step down, I'm seeing a level of rejection, so I will also mark it. I will also mark this level of rejection. So I now have one, I now have 1, 2, and 3 level. Are you getting me now? So I will now step down to daily. When I get to daily, are you seeing it? See what is happening here. So what do? On the daily, there is a level of breakout. There's a level of breakout. So as I am dropping down, I am changing the color of my line so that I will can be able to differentiate between the time frame. So after marking it, I have this. So there is something like a doji, very longer wick from the upside. Now shorter wick from the downside, and we have seen a breakout. Now showing us that price will step down. Showing us that price is going down, not certainly we step down. Showing us that price is pointing down. Now remember, we have our zone. Our zone is here. Let me remove this. Remember, we have our zone. I have our zone around this level. I have support. I get it. So the next thing we do now is to mark the low, the lowest price on the daily perspective that the market have closed at. We mark it. So it's giving us clue of the levels or the zone where price is changing character, where price is changing decision, or where price is changing hand. It's just a level of takeover. Are you getting me? So after marking it now, I will now step down to 1 hour. That's it. Are you getting me? Now getting to my 1 hour, if you take note, first of all, we saw a massive bearish candle. Remember this black zone from the week? When price got to that zone, we saw a bearish pullback. Now eating up this green candle, so it's telling us that the pressure is becoming low. So what do? The next thing to do is for me to mark the zone where the market changed hand with another color. with another color. So what I will do is to mark this zone, price drop. Now we still have another zone. I'm telling you how I analyze the market too. Now the next time frame I will go to, or even if before I go to that time frame, I will need to find out if the zone on this 1 hour will hold. So we saw this massive rejection. Now we are seeing another rejection. Now if price opens now by tonight, we might see a pull up, maybe another rejection. So now before I move down to maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes, I'll first of all make sure that I am seeing something like this eating up this green candle, which will happen here again. Then I will pick up my change of activity level. Then I will start taking it to the downside, or I will know what will happen. So but at this level now, it is looking as if this zone might hold. And everything we do here is under probability. So now if you look at it very well, you are seeing our two zones. So we are expecting price to drop down to this level. Yes, to drop down, but we've not gotten confirmation yet. It is at a confirmation we know. Now if you now step down to 5 minutes, what are you seeing? Coming down to 5 minutes now, you will see that price truly is still strongly moving to the upside. So for those of you who do trend line, I would wait for the price to break the trend line. Once price break the trend line, you will see that you can now hop in to make your correction. So price is massively moving up. Now you now wait for price to make the correction. Definitely price will get to this zone after price makes a rejection here and it breaks out. So this is how I follow the market. So if you find it useful, if you find it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can apply it to your trading, and I believe it will go a long way. Thank you very much. Remember to click the alert button so that you can be getting some information whenever it drops. Thank you and God bless you.